guys, it's Jadalynncross and welcome to my channel. Weekly I'll be sharing lifestyle, cleaning, or mommy videos. Also, it would be a disservice to you if I didn't share a little bit of the gospel, so come along and enjoy today's video. Today is a cleaning motivation video, so feel free to pause and clean with me at any time. It honestly took me like over 8 hours to clean these 3 rooms, so be encouraged that even if it takes all day, commit to cleaning at least one space at a time. Also, shout out to my husband from working from home today. We had like a snow day. We weren't snowed in, but you know, the snow was coming down pretty heavy, so it was just perfect timing for him to be home. You know what? It's funny because many of you may be new to watching cleaning videos. So let me just tell you the purpose of it, because you may be thinking, am I seriously watching this lady clean up? But actually, the purpose is just kind of just to motivate you. It's not to really just say, hey, look what I'm doing, or, oh, check out my home or anything. But it's really just to show you, like, I'm a mom, I'm a regular person, I'm a woman, and I know how hard it is. I know how life can pile up. I know how things can get out of order, but we can do this. So you know what? God gave me the vision, so I'll take on the burden of recording my life and putting it out there just to inspire others. And on top of that, I absolutely love doing this. So I really don't want to refer to it as a burden, but it's kind of like, hey, everybody's not going to want to do it, so I'll do the work. So yeah, that's really the purpose of just showing you me cleaning up. Is really just to inspire you, you know, to be like, you know what, let me get up and wash these dishes, let me get up and fold this laundry that's been sitting here for about a week. You know, like, we need each other to inspire one another. So that's honestly the purpose of this. So now I'm going to do a little vacuuming before I go to the next room. Harris is just the cutest thing. Like, I love him at this stage. It's so funny because typically kids are like afraid of the vacuum cleaner, but this boy would just chase me all around the house just to touch it. So I think that's pretty hilarious. Now I'm organizing this portable bar stand for Harris. It's like the greatest mommy hack ever. I can't even take the credit. My mom came up with this idea and organized this for me when Harris first came home. So we have all his essentials in there, from diapers, wipes, his medicine. As you see, that's what I'm putting in the black netted bag, lotions, like just everything that we just kind of go to on a daily. So this is super convenient. You can like wheel it around wherever you want. So we're kind of generally in the living room, so this is a perfect location for it. So the next room I'll be cleaning is the dining room area. So the dining room table isn't like completely a disaster, but it just gets like cluttered really easily. So let's just get it done. Many of you may not know, but we're expecting baby number 2. I just did a gender reveal, so check that out on my channel too. But it is well, just in case you haven't watched the gender reveal video, I'm not going to say, but we're so excited to meet our new baby in June. So I literally took probably about an hour, maybe an hour and a half break in between this new clip, because me and Harris just had to get out of those PJs and just freshen up. But you all, my kitchen. So I had my dad come in town over the weekend, and he loves to cook. And boy, oh boy, cleaning after him, it just was like a never-ending disaster. I just kind of gave up after a while, as you can see. So hey, you know what? It's all good. About to get it done now. Okay, so at this point, I just need someone to say, Jada, sit down. You've done enough. Like, you're not going to be able to pick up every toy. Just sit down and rest. You did good, Mom. So that's what I try to tell myself. That's what my husband is trying to tell me. So yeah, guys, I am so excited for this. Thank you so much for watching and supporting. Also check out my previous videos, and until next time, be blessed.